Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. After verifying the computer for the Rottler system was sound from a hardware point of view, as shown in Part 1, ERD hooked up the custom system and fully booted it into the custom software used by Rottler for controlling the boring of the engine block. As an additional service, ERD also copies and maintains the custom software for the customer as a safeguard against future software issues such as hard drive failure. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.